Today's class is the vowels. Let's enjoy! Let's learn the pronunciation of the double vowels. Double vowels are vowels that have a different mouth shape at the beginning and end, followed by two sounds. The first sound is relatively short, and the second sound is relatively long. The first sound is divided by what it sounds like. The sound that starts with E becomes Y double vowels with a semi-vowel Y, like ya, yo, you, ye, ye. E and A combine to form ya. What is the combination of these letters? E, O, yo, E, O, you, E, O, you, E, ye, E, ye. Next, the sound that starts with O, U becomes Y double vowels with the same vowel W, like wa, we, wo, we. Next, the sound that starts with is 의. Let's check it out again. It's efficient to learn by tying it up based on the first sound and using the uppers. As I said, the sound that starts with E is that the first sound, E, is short. And the second sound, A, O, U, E, is relatively long. First, you pronounce ER by clapping twice, and then ya on the third clap. In other words, just pronounce ER, ya, one at a time for 3 rounds of uppers. And you'll know exactly. Let's raise your hands and clap. Repeat after me. E-A, ya, E-O, yo, E-O, you, E-U, you, E-A, ye, E-A, ye. Good. We practice them as the same way. Next, repeat after me. 오와 와, 오에 왜, 우어 워, 우에 왜. Next, repeat after me. 으이, 의. Good. It's hard to pronounce, right? If you keep reading, you will get used to it. Okay? Good. So far, we learned the pronunciation of vowels by phonetic classification. Then, now check the vowels. Do you remember this? Okay. Then, let's read basic and complex vowels that combined the basic characters like this. These are 10 basic vowels, and these are 11 complex vowels. Let's read together. A, ya, o, yo, o, you, u, i. And ye, wa, we, wo, we, i. Good. We learned the vowels. Look again. 10 basic vowels and 11 complex vowels. Okay? Good. And let's learn the order. First, check the basic characters like this. A, O, O, U, E. Do you remember? Okay. A, O, O, U, E. Okay. And let's divide it in the same order. Look at this. A, O, O, U, U. Okay. Good. Look here. What is the next order of combining? Did you find it? Okay. A, E, Ya, Ye. Okay. Good. A, E, Ya, Ye. Okay. Next. O, E, Yo, Ye. Okay. Did you find it? Okay. Next. O, Wa, We, You. Okay. Next. U, Wo, We, You. Okay. Next. Ui, N, E. Okay. Good. Let's write it down in order. Look at this line. A, E, Ya, Ye, O, E, Yo, Ye, O, Wa, We, You. U, Wo, We, You. U, E. Okay, good. This is a rule in the order of a dictionary of vowels. So when you use a Korean dictionary, you can find Korean in this order. Okay, good. Don't forget that the bases are the most important. Okay? Vowels are really important when you talk. Look at the example here. Hangeul. What's a vowel? That's right. A, U. A, U. Okay? Good. Read while focusing on the vowels, especially focus on the shape of your mouth. Hangeul. Okay? Good. That's it for today's lesson. Next class is reading words made with vowels. Please press like and subscribe. See you next time.